Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2013 Chevy Impala LTZ, stock number Z7270XX. Only 65,000 miles on this Impala. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Ashen Gray Metallic in color. The Impala is in the large car class. Seats 5, leather interior. This Impala has the flip and fold seat feature. Seat bottoms flip forward, giving you hooks perfect for plastic grocery bags. Everything's covered in hard plastic, makes it very easy to clean if it gets wet or dirty. Seat back and then fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. Spacious trunk. One of the largest in its class. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And a removable cargo net, perfect for keeping smaller items secure. This LTZ has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, Bose sound system, power seats, large, easy-to-read gauges. Again, only 65,000 miles. Temperature and compass display in the dash. Cruise control. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Auxiliary input. Allows you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. Dual zone temperature control, heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission. And lots of storage space in the armrest. Large glove box with the owner's manual inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door openers. Under the hood, this Impala has a 3.6 liter V6, 300 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Nice balance of power and fuel economy, along with those 300 horses. EPA average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway. All that with new tires and new brakes. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ7270XX to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.